Hello everybody. Today in this video we are going to see how to work with Excel. Now as you can see, I have opened an Excel blank sheet where we are actually seeing that we are going to learn that how to select some cell, how to put some value into the cell, how to change means edit the cell partially and fully, and also we'll learn how to copy or move the content of the cell. Okay, so this video you can see I have opened a blank Excel sheet where you can see by default one sheet is there and multiple columns are there, multiple rows are there. So if you want to select any of the one, you click on that cell and drag it in this way. So how the position up to which you will drag this one, it will be selected in that manner. So like this you can see I am dragging over here, so I'm getting the selection. We are having another option. Suppose here is your cell starts from where you want to select the cell. Now you will do what? From here press shift button and click the arrow keys where you want to select. So in this manner you can select any of the part, and in this way you can go on selecting your particular cells that are required. Okay, now we will learn something like we will add some data. So suppose we are dragging some data and we will be putting, sorry, not dragging, I will be putting some data at first, and then we will be at first learn how to select it, and then how to change the data. Selection I have already told you. In that manner, if you drag it in this way, it will go on selecting the entire part which you have selected, and it will be selected in that way. Now I will put some data. Suppose I am giving some names over here, like name, and in the next cell I am giving the marks. Okay, so these two I have given. Now over here I am just simply dragging this name field because name will be a little bit bigger. So first one is suppose Gauri, and Gauri's marks is suppose 87. Now yes, right. So when I press enter, you can see automatically Excel understand that next starting point will be under name. So here I am writing like Julia, and here you are giving like 79 is the marks. Now suppose Genia, 83, and then suppose I am giving the marks as any name like Rohit, and the marks is suppose 56. Okay, so these are the marks. Now we can select in this way. Now if we want to make a little change, suppose I want to make a change, so I will be changing this one. So I'll click on this button, this cell, and either I can double click. If I double click, I can see that the entire 79, all these cursors are blinking over here. Now over here by your arrow keys you can go anywhere, like I'm putting, just clicking over a 90 and I'm giving 99. So you can see that Julia's marks has been updated from 79 to 99. So in this way we can update. This is called partial updations. And if I want to update it directly, so I want to change the entire name, so what I'll do, I'll click on this, I'll delete this one, and I'll write over here as Rohan. So I have changed, means I have updated the entire cell in this manner. So this is the method by which you can change your cell, you can change the content of the cell completely. And now we will learn how to delete the cell content. It's very easy. Deleting cell content is very easy. You can click on any of the ones. Suppose I am writing over here as any other name like Hena. Okay, now Hena has got suppose 72 marks. Okay, now Hena, this I want to delete. Okay, how to delete? I'll click on this cell and I'll press delete. So the data has been deleted. Another method to delete, suppose I want to delete this cell now, I'll click on this and I'll click on backspace. So the entire part has been deleted. So this is the method by which you can delete the cell contents very easily. Now we will learn to copy or move cell contents. How to copy or move? We will click on this entire cell part which I want to copy. We are having two options. Either we'll right click on this and we'll click on copy. See, it has been copied. Now click any of the other part and press enter. See, the same thing has came over here. So it is one method of copying. Another method of copying is I'll select the entire thing and then I'll click, double click, I'll select the entire thing and then I will be clicking over here and dragging it like this. See, again the same thing is being copied. So in this manner also we can do, but here you can see it's calculating the marks in different manner. So this method will not go. So we are going to drag the same thing from here. I think there is some problem in my mouse only because I am not getting the yes, like this. Yes. In this way we can drag and drop, which will help you to move the data. It will not copy the data. We are having another way to copy the data. We'll right click on this, we'll cut it and we'll click on here and I'll press enter. It is also one method of moving. So cut the data, putting it over there is also one method. Another method is we'll click on this part and we'll just drag it here and there. So we can see that in this way also we can move the content of the cell in this way. Okay, so this is the method by which we will learn. So we have learned today how to change the content of the data, how to copy, how to move, and also we have learned how to edit the data partially and fully. Okay, today's video is this much. Next day we are going to see the next part of your chapter. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.